Alright, today we're going to discuss a topic that might seem to be very trivial, but I've discovered that many students are having similar issues, which I'm about to show you. Now, first of all, the idea of cross multiplication is when we have a fraction, say a over b, equal to another, say c over d. Cross multiplication is that when we multiply a by d and multiply c by b, so we're going to have a times d is ad, it must be equal to BC. Alright, this is the idea of cross multiplication. Now, we can use it to solve simple questions and, let's say we have a problem like this. 2 over 5 equal to x over 10, for instance. Now, using cross multiplication, we can say, okay, when we cross multiply, we're saying that 5 times s, which is 5x, must be equal to 2 times 10, which is 20. So now we can just divide both sides by 5, which is the coefficient of x. So we just divide both sides by 5. So 5 is going to cancel. X is equal to 4. So this looks simple at this point. So this is the idea of cross multiplication. However, when we have a question like this, say 3a over 4 minus 3 over 4, let's say it's equal to a over 3. Now, many students will go on and say, okay, we can also cross multiply. Now, this is very wrong because what exactly are you going to cross multiply? Which of the numerator is going to be multiplying 3? Is it this or this? Now, we can't cross multiply now. We might be able to cross multiply maybe later in this problem, but not now. If you want to cross multiply, because there are actually two ways of solving this and I'm going to show you. If you want to cross multiply, the first thing you have to do is that you must write these two fractions as one, because in cross multiplication we need to have one fraction equal to another fraction. You get the point now? So we're going to write it as one fraction. Now 3a, you see we have common denominator of 4, so we can easily write that as, we take the 4, 3a minus 3 is just 3a minus 3 since they're not like terms, and that's equal to a over 3. Now we have one fraction equal to another fraction. We can go ahead and cross multiply now. So 3a minus 3 times 3 is going to give us 3 into 3a minus 3 equal to 4 times a is just 4a. So we can simplify that. 3 times 3a is 9a. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And that's equal to 4a. Collect like terms, we have 9a. I'm going to move 4a this side, so it's going to become negative. So we have minus 4a is equal to, moving negative 9 to this side, it becomes positive. So we're going to have positive 9. Alright, 9a minus 4a is just 5a. That's equal to 9. So we just divide both sides by 5. Finally, so a is equal to 9 over 5. Or, you can write it as a mixed number. That will be one whole number, 4 over 5. So that's the value of a. Now, another way you can do this is by eliminating the denominators entirely. And how to do that is that we're going to consider the denominators, which is 4, another 4, and 3. So we're going to look for the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So we're going to multiply all these terms by 12. So we have 3a over 4 times 12, which is the LCM, minus 3 over 4 times 12 is equal to a over 3 times 12. So I just multiplied every term by the LCM of the denominators. So let's go ahead and cancel. 4 here is 1, 4 into 12 is 3, 4 here is 1, 4 into 12 again is 3, 3 here, 3 into 12 is 4. So we just multiply. 3 times 3a is 9a, minus 3 times 3 is 9, and that's equal to 4 times a is 4a. So you discover that this point is exactly the same with this point. We have 9a minus 9 equal to 4a. And so if we solve it, we're still going to arrive at the same answer. So I hope you got the point. So please, just in case you used to make this same mistake, take correction, and then, it's going to help minimize your error.